I love a good hair mask, and this one right here was sent for my review, and I'm gonna be checking it out for the very first time. So this one has the maca power, so it has maca essence. I hadn't heard of that before, and this also has collagen. I am a huge fan of collagen right now. All things collagen, sign me up. So this one right here, yeah, maca essence. I looked at the back, it also has the Moroccan argan oil, which I also absolutely love. And for me, I'm just really interested to see how it smells, because sometimes these hair masks have a really intense smell and I have a really hard time with that. So right here with the directions, this one is you want to apply to towel dried hair. Normally they just say, you know, if you're like in the shower, your hair is wet, you just kind of massage that in, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So this one actually is saying you want to get out, towel dry your hair, put it in. I mean, it's a bit of a, because then you have to rinse it out again in 10 to 15 minutes. But hey, if it is going to help, I am all for it. So let's go ahead, see what it looks like. Ooh, and smell it. That actually smells delicious. I just want to see the texture here. Ooh, it's actually, so obviously it's super creamy, but it's like way thicker than I thought it was going to be. And obviously that is going to be the point. I have really dead ends because I do lots of coloring in my hair. So having something like this, and honestly, it smells so amazing. It kind of smells like something familiar. Maybe it's the argan oil, because I do use that in lots of different things. But man, this smells fantastic. I cannot wait to take a shower and use this.